Here we are on day 3 at Darlington House. Tony is preparing some windows that have been sanded by the guys, but we haven't yet put the liquid masking on. So he's dusting it all down and then is going to brush on the liquid masking. Yeah, so he's putting it on nice and thick. And the cool thing here is that this liquid masking is sealing the putty against the glass. If there's a little bit of a gap there, the liquid masking will fill it in with a flexible, it's almost like caulking. So it serves that purpose while at the same time protecting the glass from the paint that we're going to put over this. Now when we're finished, we'll razor cut the liquid mask and pull it off. You'll have absolutely clean glass. It's pretty cool. Neat stuff. So I'll show you how it looks as it dries. Over here, Tony's done these windows a little bit ago. This is the last one, and you see how it's drying and becoming a little clear. And down here, these windows have been done a while back. So you see there, it's almost like a clear cellophane on the surface that we can paint and then cut this edge and peel back. It's really going to look quite nice. So the guys are cleaning up at the end of the day. We'll leave the job site neat, clean, and orderly. Nice and closed up. There we are. There's the wood in place, the windows, so we can safely leave this over the weekend. Yeah. More vacuuming, cleaning. Way to go, Charlie. We always say a clean job site is a happy job site.
Yeah.
Well done.